Hey, Cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I'm cooking again. It's your guy, Ken. Here we go. We're doing leg quarters today, y'all. Leg quarters on the pellet smoker. Okay, Cooks? And I might put some on the charcoal just to compare it. Okay, Cooks? But what we're going to do today, I always tell you to brine your chicken. We're going to change that up today. Okay, Cooks? We're going to marinade in an Italian dressing. About an hour, maybe 2 hours marinade. Let that sit. If you can do overnight if you want to also. But you know we don't prepare anything here. Okay, Cooks? We're gonna marinate it. Got a little garlic parmesan seasoning, a little New Orleans Cajun season, boom bang, a little spray, get that skin crispy. We're gonna put it together, Cooks. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. All right, Cooks, here we are. Get your chicken, clean it, trim it, wash it down a little bit. Okay, Cooks? Get them little tips off the end. I hate that, them little tips. I see a lot of videos that leave that on there. Get those off. Cut it off. Okay, Cooks? Here we go. You're gonna get it in your pan, like I said, in a bowl. If you got a dish, if you have a, what do you call those things? A bag. What's the fact? My brain, I'm getting old, y'all. Zip tight bag, Ziploc bag, zip tight. Ziploc, this is so big, I cut this, it's too big. I mean, come on. That's a big joke. Get it in there. Okay, Coach? Let's get it with the Italian season. Use the whole thing. Take the top off, let's stop playing. So I got the no name. Get all this. Get it on there. Good coverage. Okay, the whole thing. That in there. And you know how we do cook, come on. So how much hot sauce? Tablespoon? Or smattering? A smattering sounds better. How about a smattering? I don't know what that is. There's no smattering. I don't know what that means. Get that in there, Cooks. Okay, get your top on there. Okay, mix it around, man. Mix it around. Make sure good coverage. Bam. Take this, get it in your, wait for it, refrigerator. Not refrigerator. Refrigerator. You proud, mama? She told me to stop saying refrigerator. Refrigerator, at least an hour. If you can do 2, fine. If you can do 5, fine. If you do overnight, fantastic. But stay with your guy. We're gonna get in the refrigerator. We're gonna fire up the pellet smoker, 300 degrees. Okay, Cooks? Stay with me. I'm cooking. Hey, Cooks, here we go. 2 hours in the refrigerator. You'd be proud of me. Refrigerator, not refrigerator. Let's go. Get this thing out. Come on. We gonna get them on. All right. In that. Oh man. In that marinade, Cooks. Come on. Let's get them. Let's get them. Come on, Cooks. This big boy right here. Dip it in. What? Okay, Cooks. I'm gonna wash your hand off. Shout out to sanitation. We're gonna do it like this. Parmesan. Wait a minute, Cook. Wait a minute. I went too far. Oh man, come on, Cooks. Garlic parm. Smoked chicken. Delicious. We have New Orleans Cajun. A little spice to it, okay, Cooks? Too far. Wait a minute, come on. This is liberal. Liberally spread this on there. This one crazy. That one crazy. I'm gonna rub that in. Okay, Cooks. I was gonna spray it. I'm not even gonna spray it. We're gonna get it on the grill. Rub the temperature out there. I'm gonna meet you out there. I'm not gonna do the hot sauce. Okay, Cooks. Let's do an initial marinade. Okay, Cooks. I'm gonna flip these over one. I'm gonna season the back too. Stop it. I'm gonna season the back. We're gonna get them outside. We're gonna rock. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey, Cooks, we outside. Look, it's Florida, man. It's still winter somewhere. It's snowing somewhere. We out here. Come on. Put leg quarters on there. Leg quarters on the grill. Let's get it. Bunch them up. Bunch it up if you want to. Go through the hard way, y'all. Through the hard way. Through the hard way. The rest, I might put on the charcoal. Boom. Give me an hour and a half. It's going to be delicious. I'll put the probe in there later. But I'm going to ask you, people, subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. Let's stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. We out here, man. 180. We ready to go. We're gonna pull them. We're gonna pull them off there, man. They ready to go. Stick with your man. Look, this chicken is gonna be delicious. Delicious, amazing. That's the difference. Gonna be delicious. Stay with your man. Yo, I'm cooking again. Because here we are at the end. Come on, man. You got this chicken, man. Oh, delicious. Amazing. Don't start singing, cooks. We got it. I got test pilot. Test pilot. Woo, hot. One. Oh, wait a minute. I'm still here. I just hot still. Oh my God. Oh, cooks. The flavor profile is outstanding. Chicken tastes outstanding. You know what I'm telling you to do, man. Subscribe to oh my God. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy, man. We doing chicken, man. We cooking it.